before washing your dreadlocks. If you clearly see buildup, the lock must be untwisted and opened up to scrape the dirt out before washing. If not, it's just gone stay inside of the dreadlocks. What makes buildup gets this bad? Usually the client sweats from working out, overusing products between maintenance, or not washing their hair between maintenance if they go beyond the scheduled time. I use Dawn soap along with Suave cleansing shampoo, then go back over with a conditioning shampoo. At home, keep your locks covered at bedtime. For more tips on keeping your locks clean and healthy, please click the link and purchase my book called Mastering Your Locks.